Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Judges of the Lahore High Court, the office bearers of the Punjab Bar Council, the members of the Punjab Bar Council and its Executive Committee, the learned Advocate General Punjab, and all other friends from the bar, from the legal community, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu Alaikum. I'm grateful to be here and I'm touched by this overwhelming reception. I am conscious that this reception is directed and meant for our very dear senior colleague, the Honorable Chief Justice, on his elevation to the Honorable Supreme Court. But in fact, the Chief Justice is merely a symbol and an embodiment of the institution which is the High Court itself. On behalf of the Lahore High Court, I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for this warm and kind reception that you have given us, and in saying so, I am conscious of the wonderful change that has taken place over the last few years. What Justice Azmat Saeed has been instrumental in doing as the Honorable Chief Justice of this court is to convey to the legal community the commitment of the Lahore High Court to serve the people of our land and our country. We are here to serve the people for resolving their disputes in accordance with law, justly and fairly. And in that spirit of service, the most important, the most significant player or stakeholder is the community of the learned advocates of the High Court. More than that, there are immensely valuable suggestions that come from you because you are working in the system. Our willingness to listen to those suggestions, to incorporate those suggestions in order to improve our service to the people of Pakistan is something that is very dear to us. And we are committed to doing that insofar as warmth and affection is concerned. Those of you who have attended my court proceedings should know that I start with the expression, "Yes sir, what can I do for you?" To be polite, to be humble is part of my nature. And this is not to any person of any standing. This is an attitude I have towards everyone. Of course, as the successor to the Honorable Chief Justice, I will be having a duty to perform, and that is a duty to make the courts of the province run efficiently and effectively. So, my warmth and affection will always be there, but it would expect reciprocation. What I see today, gentlemen and ladies, from this wonderful gathering is that you are there to help, you are there to participate, and I can count on you, and that is, I assure you, a source of great strength for me. But before I sit down, because I know all of you are anxious to hear the Honorable Chief Justice address you, I have a modest and a humble request to make. You see, times have changed in our region, in our society, conditions have changed. And what has happened is that temper and anger have taken over a lot of the conduct of people in their ordinary day-to-day life. The most significant thing about you and us who are members of the legal community is that we have to maintain discipline and decorum. Whatever happens outside, please remember that our institution must retain the dignity that it deserves for dispensing the noble task